because of this flood control project, yung pangalan po ng DICT laging lumulutang po for transparency, accountability, and all this, no? My question being, Secretary, are you planning already to come out? Kasi I'm sure yung sumbong mo sa Pangulo, kayo po nagmamanage, pero itong transparency server po, are you already in the works of putting up one so that there is more transparency and accountability po for this administration moving forward?
So ano ko po muna, yung website na ginagamit sa isumbong mo sa Pangulo, website po ng DPWH. Sila po naglabas niyan.
Okay.
Pero nakikipag-ugnayan po kami kay DBM naman. Kasi lahat ng budget and budget disbursement pumupunta kay DBM. So yung sa DBM naman, lahat po ng infra project yon. DPWH and other like DOTR, DOH, lahat po ng infra. Ang pangalan naman ng project na yan, yung tinatawag nating transparency server or transparency website, ay Project DIME, Digital Infrastructure Monitoring and Evaluation.
Okay.
So, pwede silang pumunta dyan, makikita nila kung ano yung ginagawang tulay, daan, school building, tapos makikita nila yung progreso ng paggawa. Kasama na po yung flood control, nandun din po yan. Yan po, linaunch namin kahapon with Secretary Mina at saka ni Secretary Vince.